Hey, it's Dr. Pamela Moss, your soul guide. New Year's is the perfect time to take some time for you to do deep visioning about your business and what you want to create in 2019. Doing this deep visioning at the start of the year will keep you focused and on purpose throughout the year and give you a touchstone for every business decision you make. In this workshop, we go beyond your ordinary awareness to uncover your deep clarity. That is why participants call it invaluable and very powerful. And some even say, I found my big why, or I discovered the purpose of my business in this workshop. This deep planning with your heart as well as your mind is vital to your success. Whether you've been in business for years or you're just starting out, passionate about what you're doing but not making much money yet. And I've added something fun this time. You can choose your price. So register below to join me live. If you can't be there live, don't despair. If you register now, you will get the recording. I can't wait.